Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something different, which is a back to school try and all featuring Adriana. So I'm gonna bring her in the camera and show she did. Today's her first day at school, so she went ahead and wore a suit from the outfits that I bought for her. So I'm gonna go ahead and call her. Come, Adriana. So this is Adriana. So guys, today was Adriana's first day at school and this is her outfit. So this is the first outfit that she wore. So she's wearing the pink striped blouse with the pink skirt, buttons in the front, and her strawberry socks. Now I'm going, so this will be outfit number 1. Now I'm going to show you guys outfit number 2. And as I said, I didn't get much, but with the little that I got, she can get multiple outfits out of it. So now on to outfit number 2. Right, so this is outfit number 2, and as you can see, she's wearing the same bottom, which is a pink skirt, and she's wearing it with a striped blouse just like the pink one but different color. So this one is white, 2 shades of blue, a lavender color, and it matches the skirt. So this is outfit number 2. On to outfit number 3. So this is outfit number 3, and as you can see, I already got 3 outfits with just one bottom. So this is a same style of blouse but different color. So this is a plain white blouse with the same pink skirt. Now I'm going to show you guys outfit number 4. This is outfit number 4, and she just went ahead and changed the bottom. So she's wearing a denim skirt. It has pleats in the front with that same plain white blouse. And give us a 360, Adriana. So this is it. Now it's time for outfit number 5. This is outfit number 5, and she's wearing the same denim skirt with the pink striped blouse. And as I said, I got all these blouses. I got 3 in the same style but different colors. So I got the pink stripe, the blue stripe or yellow stripe, and the plain white one. So this is outfit number 5. Now it's time for outfit number 6. So guys, this is the 6th outfit. She's wearing the blue denim skirt with the stripe blouse. It has blue that matches the denim. Give us a 360. Yep, and that is it. Now it's time for outfit number 7. So this is outfit number 7. She's wearing a denim skirt with a plain orange blouse, and that is it. That's so simple and cute. Turn around. Yep. Now it's time for outfit number 8. This is outfit number 8, and she is wearing a black skirt. So it has a shorts in the back. Turn around, Adriana. Shorts, turn to the back. Yeah, let me see just the back. Yes, so she has a shorts in the back. Turn around. And she is wearing the plain orange blouse. So now it's time for outfit number 9. This is outfit number 9, and she's wearing the black skirt with the pink striped blouse. And this is so simple. It's so easy to get so many outfits out of just these few buys. So yeah, now it's time for outfit number 10. This is outfit number 10. She's wearing the same black skirt with the striped blouse, and this striped blouse has the purple, blue, and it has lavender, yellow, and 2 shades of blue with white. And this is outfit number 10. Now it's time for outfit number 11. This is outfit number 11, and she is wearing the same black skirt with a white blouse. This is the plain white blouse. It's the same thing as the next 2 striped ones. Now it's time for outfit number 12. This is outfit number 12, and she's wearing a orange hoodie shorts with the plain white blouse. Now it's time for outfit number 13. Give us a 360. Next one. Stop. This is outfit number 13. She's wearing the same orange shorts with the striped blouse. So this striped blouse, it has a yellow that looks similar to the orange. So it has 2 shades of blue, the lavender, the yellow, and the white, and they go perfect. Now it's time for outfit number 14. This is outfit number 14. She's wearing a dress. The pattern looks like a flower, and it also looks like the tiger print. So this is her dress that she picked out, and she really loved it. So this is outfit number 14. Now it's time for outfit number 15. This is the 15th and final outfit. So this is outfit number 15, and she's wearing a plain pink dress. So it's pink with a different shade of pink around the sleeves and the neck. This is similar to the one she just wore, which is outfit number 14. And yeah, so this is Adriana's back to school try on all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and become a part of the Saunders family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.